The boys' asthma has flared up pretty bad and they have to miss their fall bash at school. So we're gonna try, and what are we gonna make ourselves tonight? What was your idea, Silas? Do our own bash. So we're gonna make our own fall bash at home. We can't do anything crazy because we've got to keep their breathing down to a minimum. So we're gonna run to the store and we're gonna get some fun stuff to make for tonight and have a movie night. So come with us.
Can I look at that skeleton?
No, he's for decoration.
For Halloween, for
Sit
fall.
down so we can go this way. Whee!
Why did you say that? There's a skeleton, a big old skeleton up there.
There's what?
A big old skeleton.
There is.
And there's a black skeleton.
Let's see. Excuse us. Sorry.
Mom, look, there's
fine.
Jack Skeleton. Jack Skeleton.
There is.
With that Whoa, that's a big ghost.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my god. You had it. Yeah, that's a Halloween. Wow. Wow. It's a big snake.
Yeah.
Now
Oh, there's the first row.
Mom,
We need to go.
Go this way. Go this
You want to go that way or you want to go down this?
This way, this way. This way, this way.
This. Christmas ornaments. You want to go down the other one?
I want to go this way.
Okay. Let's see.
Come on.
Okay, we're turning.
This way.
Whee.
This way. Spidey sides. There's a Jack Skeleton hat.
There's
Go
what?
this way. There's a Jack Skeleton hat.
Ooh.
Mom, can I go this way? Let's go.
Look at all the Grinch stuff.
Yeah, totally. Okay, go this way.
What are y'all two?
Sit and Snowman and Santa and a Christmas tree.
Whee!
No, this way.
You're missing out on so much.
Oh, Louie.
There's what? Look at all the blow-ups.
Oh, Louie and Stitch.
There is Lilo and Stitch.
Hey, this way. I want to go this way. Look, this cute reindeer.
That is such a cute reindeer. Look at all of the pretty
Mom, look. That.
vintage.
Mom,
Christmas
Santa
that they have.
and Granny Santa right there.
Look. I love these.
Mommy, look. Santa and Granny Santa.
I see, and look how precious. So cute. I love those little cool like trees
Mommy,
down
look.
there.
Mommy, look.
All that. What do you want to look at, baby?
I saw this bubble.
And look at this Santa picture.
Mom, focus.
Oh, okay, sorry.
That's okay, but you need to focus and
Oh, do I? Oh wait, it's one more aisle for the what you're looking for. You want to see the blow-ups, right?
yeah, this side.
Right here?
I want to look at it.
Oh.
I want to look at it. I want to.
I am. I'm trying to get you closer.
No, stop. Look, Mom.
Yeah, that puts it on your ceiling. Isn't that cool?
You should have a look at the Stitch one too. Oh, it shoots Stitch stuff.
I like the Grinch one.
I like to. Hey, guess what? I like. Turn this way. No. I like the spider one.
Spider one.
I want to see.
Ooh, spooky.
I want to see the Grinch one. I want to see the Grinch one, Bishop. I want to see
Okay,
the.
let go so you can see the Grinch one. You know, just suppress the Grinch one. You guys used to have one of those, but when you were babies, but you broke it.
Sorry.
Oh wait, so okay, you didn't do it on purpose.
This
Ooh,
one's
look at
on-
these. Let go real quick. all these nostalgic like 90s. Oh my gosh, guys, look. That is so cute.
Hey, you should
Big
get those.
Christmas lights. Well, we're not gonna get them today,
No.
but that is so cute. We need to show Nana that. She would love that. Let me take a picture of that for her.
Mommy, look.
Look,
Look at it.
all the Christmas Village stuff.
So pretty.
I'm so excited because these are back to being porcelain, not plastic, and they actually plug in. They don't run off of batteries.
These are not white.
The only thing I'm sad about is I really want a greenhouse, but this one's plastic. It's so cute, but it runs off of batteries, which doesn't work good for the tree.
Let's go, let's go.
But I love that these are back to porcelain.
Mommy, let's go. Mommy,
That way?
let's go.
Okay. Just food coloring. We need one of these. Can you have that?
Okay, yeah.
Put it in there. We're gonna need one of these. Can you grab one of these?
One of these?
Yep. Thank you. Put it in. Okay.
And now we can go look at the other two.
I'm looking for one more thing. Is that Bishop? Let me see that really quick. Perfectly pumpkin cake. Do we want pumpkin or this spice cake?
Spice.
Let's do spice cake and we'll make a pumpkin bread too
Hmm.
with chocolate chips.
I want to have the pumpkin.
Cream.
We got cream.
Okay, we need
No, we
egg.
don't. We egg, but I'm allergic to eggs.
Well, when you bake it, you're not. When we bake it, it's not.
I can have eggs.
But we gotta be real careful that we don't break these in the basket. So no playing with these, okay?
Okay.
Normally we get 0 sugar, and I can't find the 0 sugar.
B-I-S-H-O-P.
What snack did you pick out? What snack did you pick out?
M&M's.
No, that's for the top of the cake. So we're gonna make a pumpkin cake with cream cheese icing.
I think
Normally I make my own cream cheese icing, but for time, we're just bought the store-bought stuff. What snack did you pick out for movie night?
the
Funyuns?
pumpkin pie.
The pumpkin pie. Did you pick out Funyuns? And Sally, she picked out spicy Funyuns. We got sodas, and just some fun treats. And so we're gonna go inside, and what are we gonna do?
We're gonna have a movie night and sleep in the whole night.
Yeah.
Make sure to look at
Thanks.
movie if you want to see some more. If you want to look at my short videos, just press the white button. Press the white button if you want to see more white eggs. Yay! If you want to see my short buckets, press the white button. You're joking. Okay, I'm going to drop the wall.
Unfortunately, we didn't realize that this was recording in slow motion, so there's no sound. So the boys are going to tell you how to make this spice cake.
So we put the Oreos and so you put it in the oven and add a little bit oil and then you mixed it up. Add the little orange break, and we love orange, and I hate orange with not the same orange we eat all the time, and I have a runny nose, and Bishop have been sick for 3 days, and I'm having trouble breathing today. Today's one is tomorrow, and we're gonna cut pumpkins and go to a pumpkin patch next week, and we love pumpkin patch, and we love you, and we care for you, and we pull the pie, and then we add it to the oven, and we wait, and we got the chips, and we got it tacos, and we did something. Okay, I love you so much. Daddy added the taco. So Daddy got the corn, and while we were waiting, we were playing, watching Bluey. Daddy was making the tacos. And I love tacos so bad. And Mommy was eating on the couch, watching Bluey, hanging out for a second, eating some corn and everything. And I love you so much. I love to add cream, and I eat a little bit cream. We spreaded some cream and we added M&Ms, and it tastes yummy about the cake. So we ate it some at our movie night. Oh, it was summer party or movie night. It was both summer party and movie night. So we added M&Ms and we ate, and I ate a little bit and I tasted. That's having cold. I eat all the things. I am the monster who eats everything. Okay, monster so I was having a hard time breathing for all day. So we were doing fun stuff. So I had to take the breathing treatment. So we missed on our bash because we were sick and I was having trouble breathing. And today, now I'm feeling better, not coughing anymore. And now I can run so fast, and now I'm Sonic speed.
You.
I said I like this cake.
I heard you. So we're gonna cut the cake while Bishop is finishing up his breathing treatment.
And I got the little helper.
No, Silas is not gonna help me, Bishop. I promise. Sit down. It's gonna be okay.
I'm looking at Bishop. I'm just looking at it with my cousin.
I'm not gonna let him help.
Yeah, no.
Bishop is not having it right now.
Yeah, I'm just looking at it.
Poor dude.
Guess what?
Breathing treatment.
Guess what? I'm not glad that's he was making this cake and put my face on it. I put the face on the kiss cake.
So, I'm just gonna prep the cake, get it cut, so when as soon as he gets off of the breathing treatment, he can come up here and eat his cake. You can't.
Bishop, this is a surprise. Look at the TV. Look at the TV. Look at the TV. Wait a minute. You can be sassy. You don't see the surprise.
You're doing so good, baby.
I might give you 2 stars for doing so good.
Oh, 5 stars?
No, calm down. I said 2. Because you listen, guys, sit down now.
Oh my god.
It's looking good.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I'll leave.
Do you know what song I'm gonna pick? It's almost done. This what song I'm pick. I'm picking this side.
You only get a small size. I was gonna give you this one because it had lots of sprinkles.
And then lots of Oreo. Oh my gosh.
Don't eat yet because you gotta wait for Bishop.
Okay.
Don't even touch it.
Don't you get up running. That's what happened. That's what you had.
Bishop go off. Bishop go off.
Okay, baby, come up here.
Oh my goodness.
Let's see how the boys did.
I don't know what it's gonna taste like. Yeah, guess what it's gonna taste like.
I bet it's gonna taste like pumpkin.
Okay. I bet it's gonna taste
Slow
different.
down. Wait for BB. Oh, he went in. Okay, let's see how you guys did. Let's see.
I don't know what it's gonna taste like.
That's good. That is yummy.
It's
What do you
pretty
think?
bomb.
It's pretty bomb.
Yep.
What do you think, BB?
Good. It's good. Really good. I'm fed up with this. Cause I love it.
Y'all did pretty good. We might have to take some to Papa.
Take some to Papa.
Tomorrow.
If you want to find this cake, just get the ingredients.
Can you tell them where to find the ingredients?
At Walmart.
Good job!
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I'm so fed
I will
up.
say it's really good, but I do like spice cake better than pumpkin cake. But I love pumpkin bread.
Me too. I love it better than pumpkin bread.
Y'all did good.
I told you that pumpkin would be so sweet, so I guess. Is that pumpkin so sweet? Do you want to get the pumpkin sweet again?
Okay.
Holy. gonna take it.
Next, we can get our snacks ready. Get our snacks ready and get comfy and watch our fall TV.
Yeah.
This wasn't too bad to make up for our night, was it?
No. Hey, you gotta wake up.
Oh, don't knock off.
You just gotta get the green. And you gotta get the pumpkin thing. You gotta get the west. Okay? Good guys. Very bomb.
Next, we've got our snacks that we chose.
Just find the ingredient if you want this cake next time.
What kind of ingredients are in it? Can you tell them what all you put on it?
I put the Oreos on it. Sprinkles, sprinkles, and Oreos. And eggs. Real bomb and eggs. Yeah, and it's real bomb, guys. And it's real bomb. You should get one in the, like this, like Black Panther, or you can do like Spider-Man. You can just have a Spider-Man or Baby Shark. Or Baby Shark. But, or if you want this cake, if you...
What?
Is this one out yet? If you want this cake, just tell your mom or dad. If you can get them. Bye. Subscribe for my son videos. I'm watching you next time. I'm watching you next time with the Spider-Man.
Okay, finish up your plates.
I'm already finished.
Bishop, go wash your hands for me.
It's so delicious, Mom.
I'm so glad.
Thank you for wetting us.
No running because you're breathing. Go wash your hands and then go get on the green couch.
Can you come with me?
Yes, give me 1 second. Yep. Bibi.
Hi.
If you go sit down, your breathing is
If you want to get that cake, just subscribe.
Go get in your spot, Bibi.
Hey, y'all.
Oh, sorry. Okay, we've got our snacks and our drinks. We're about to start our movie night. We know this was a short vlog. It was very last minute planned. Something fun that the boys wanted to do since they couldn't go to their fall party at school. So we're just gonna chill and have our movie night.
Try it.
Thank you.
You have to try them both.
Okay, I got the Sonic Greens. Sonic Green Plan, spicy original. Thank you.
So what's the one? Is it spicy yet? Which one's better?
It's spicy. It's spicy.
Oh my gosh. It's weird. But can I taste
It's just like your hot fries that you like.
Can I taste yours?
It's spicy, Bishop. No.
Just let him try it. It's spicy, so just be ready.
I think I do.
And then Bishop's giving you one of his. Is it?
Oh my gosh.
Is it too spicy, Tyler?
It's real spicy. No.
It is real spicy.
It's a little bit spicy. It's hot Cheetos, spices.
It is hot Cheetos.
This one, it's yeah. Is this one spicy?
Yep, they're spicy and sour. You don't like it? They're spicy Bill.
Huh? I don't know what it's gonna taste like.
They are pretty spicy. Bye! Say we love you!
Bye, we love you.
Thank you for watching.
Bye! Thank you for watching. Is it good? Come on.
Bishop, you gotta sit down.